how much will it cost for you to study in Sweden? So the tuition fees is the first thing that we'll have to discuss. The average tuition fee with Sweden universities will start with a 1 lakh SEK to 1,50,000 SEK, which when it is converted to Indian currency will be around 10 lakh to 15 lakhs per year. And along with this, the living expenses for your stay and accommodation will cost you say around 10 to 12 lakhs per year. So when it is collectively called as 20 to 25 lakhs should be your budget limit for a 1 year of study in Sweden. If it is a 2-year program, it gets multiplied by 2 times. So if this 10 to 12 lakhs, your living expenses is not going to be a complete sum because you do have part-time job options for you. You are allowed to work 15 hours per week for your part-time. And on a mean average, you can earn between 10 to 15 euros per hour. So with your part-time savings, you'll be able to manage your living expenses. Students, do check with me with my part-time. Can I have my tuition fees paid for the second year? Technically, in reality, it is not going to be possible, but you will definitely be able to cover your living expenses in due course of time. So how can you have an advantage on the part-timers? See, Sweden, you can manage with your English language, no doubts about it. But Europeans will be fanatic about their own language, and you are getting into a country where it is not predominantly English taught. So you will have to know a local language, or at least next prevailing language would be either Dutch or German. So having an additional international language will have a cutting edge advantage for you to take up your part-time jobs and other things. The next place where you can have a good savings done is universities will do have student discounts and other kinds of stuff. So with your student discounts, you'll be able to manage certain expenses. And the next thing is shared accommodation. Sometimes I see people having getting into an accommodation which is only on their own use. So once when you have a shared accommodation with 3 to 5 students or those kinds of facilities will naturally reduce your expenses. The Sweden's application and admission journey, I have done an exhaustive video which is split into multiple parts. So please take your time in watching up the other segments too. And thanks for watching this particular video.